Have you ever wondered how your favorite frozen treat is made? Ice cream is a delicious dessert in many flavors, colors, and shapes. But how does it go from liquid to solid, and what ingredients and processes are involved? In this video, we will explore the science and history of ice cream making and show you how to make your ice cream at home with simple ingredients and equipment. Ice cream is a mixture of milk, cream, sugar, and sometimes other ingredients, such as fruits, nuts, chocolate, or vanilla. The mixture is heated to dissolve the sugar and kill bacteria, then cooled down and churned to incorporate air and prevent ice crystals from forming. The churning also makes the ice cream smooth and creamy by breaking up the fat globules in the milk and cream. The ice cream is then frozen to a temperature below 0 degrees, where it becomes solid but still soft enough to scoop. The history of ice cream dates back to ancient times when people enjoyed eating snow or ice mixed with honey, fruit, or spices. The Chinese are credited with inventing ice cream by packing a mixture of milk and rice in snow. The Arabs introduced sugar and flavorings, such as rose water and saffron, to the ice cream. The Europeans learned the art of ice cream making from the Arabs and the Chinese and developed their variations, such as gelato in Italy, sorbet in France, and custard in England. The first ice cream machine was invented by Nancy Johnson, an American woman, in 1843. She patented a hand-crank device that consisted of a metal cylinder with a paddle inside, surrounded by a wooden bucket filled with ice and salt. The ice and salt created a low temperature that froze the ice cream mixture in the metal cylinder while the paddle stirred it constantly. Johnson's invention made ice cream faster and easier and paved the way for mass production and distribution. Today, ice cream is made with modern machines that use the same principle as Johnson's device but on a larger scale. The machines have a freezing chamber containing a rotating blade or dasher that scrapes the ice cream from the chamber's walls and whips it with air. The machines also have a refrigeration system that maintains a constant low temperature in the freezing chamber. The ice cream is then transferred to a packaging machine and filled into containers, such as tubs, cones, or bars. You can also make your ice cream at home, with or without a machine. If you have an ice cream maker, you can follow the instructions that come with it and use any recipe you like. You must prepare the ice cream mixture and chill it in the fridge for a few hours before pouring it into the ice cream maker. The machine will do the rest of the work, and you will have your homemade ice cream in about 20 to 30 minutes. If you don't have an ice cream maker, you can still make ice cream with simple tools. You will need 2 plastic bags, one large and one small, some ice cubes, salt, and a towel or gloves. You will also need to prepare and chill the ice cream mixture in the fridge for a few hours. Then, pour the mixture into the small bag and seal it tightly. Put the small bag inside the large bag and fill the large bag with ice cubes and salt. The salt will lower the freezing point of the ice and create a very cold environment for the ice cream mixture. Seal the large bag and wrap it with a towel or gloves to protect your hands from the cold. Then, shake the bag vigorously for 15 to 20 minutes until the ice cream mixture is frozen. Enjoy your homemade ice cream or store it in the freezer for later. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about ice cream. Ice cream is a wonderful dessert that can be enjoyed in any season and with any toppings you like. Whether you buy it from a store or make it yourself, ice cream is always a treat to savor. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.